Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you back. Today we are visiting Foiler Car Wrap Shop here in Dubai. As always, we will introduce the shop to you and we might wrap a few panels as well. Okay, let's have a look what kind of cars you have inside. Straight away next to me, Porsche 911, gray color. They are removing old sticker. Next to it we have a GT3 with full paint protection film on it. It's a paint, it's not a vinyl on this car. Some real carbon fiber accents. And here we have brand new Bmw X7. Which one I haven't seen before. How I know that it's brand new? Look at this grille. This is 2021 grille, huge. Probably guys gonna do, I still don't know what exactly they're gonna do with it, but it looks like it will receive paint protection film. Let's check how it looks inside. Beautiful brown leather, fresh dash. Nice. We still have stickers on the steps. Protective stickers. Individual. Okay. Very beautiful car. I really like it. Should we buy one of them? No? Oh, I can't open. Okay, what else we have? As well, we have already wrapped Mercedes C63 in gloss white. What's going on with this car?
Maintenance.
Some maintenance, okay. Yeah guys, this car was wrapped 2 years ago and it still looks really good. Knowing that we're in Dubai and probably vinyl manufacturer will provide less than 2 years warranty for it. In Dubai, it's very popular to wrap door jambs. Almost every single car, when you wrap outside, you wrap inside as well. And this is what I don't like doing, personally, I don't like doing that. Nice. So guys, please meet Mohamed, who will tell us a bit more about this company. Hi Mohamed, how are you?
How are you?
Can you introduce yourself and tell us a bit more about this business?
Our company its name is Foiler Car. Starting job it's 2006. The first company in Emirates.
Okay.
Before no one knows about the foiling.
Yeah.
What foil? No one care about the foil. All guys make paint. Mm-hmm. But when we bring that one, the foil in the Emirates, everyone after that, it's easy change, you know. Mm-hmm. No need paint and drop the price for car or something like that, you know. Just remove a small part in the car and make it wrap it and put it back and that's it. And we have to give them also warranty 5 years. Mm-hmm. So everyone like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you located?
My location in Al Qawz 1 opposite the Tire Body Shop service. That place is 13 years old.
Oh wow, 13 years in the same location.
This is location 13 years old.
That's impressive.
So yeah, that's why I cannot. But inshallah for next month, inshallah we have a new location in Sheikh Zayed Road, inshallah.
Okay. We'll come back for a new place.
Inshallah, it's very big by the way.
Very good.
So we have also polished ceramic now. Everyone like the polish and ceramic detailing, window tint. This is normally, you can find for everywhere, but especially we focus for foiling.
Okay, focus on foiling. How many people works for you in this company?
Around 15. Like around 15.
Big team.
Yeah, of course. Because not only cars do it foil. I do for yacht foiling.
Okay,
I
for
change.
yacht.
Yeah,
Okay.
I change for yacht. I change for interior design foiling. We have to change the doors and kitchen. If you don't like your kitchen, I can change it to foil.
Okay.
No smell, no dust, no paint, just sticker. Put it. That's easy.
Okay.
So foiling now everything foil.
Okay.
Yeah, bro, this is where our warehouse.
Okay.
See, this is
Wash
washing
bay, yeah?
ceramic area.
Okay.
Okay, this is waiting area for the car, and inside the wrapping and all service inside. This is separate, because you have to do good place for clean. Nothing dust inside because the wrap they don't like the dust, right?
It's really good that you have like washing bay inside, and kind of I understand you said like ceramic coating areas is kind of for the quick jobs. If you need to do tinting, probably there.
Exactly.
And when cars stays longer in your shop, you're moving in this main work area.
For example, this car, I removed the old foil now.
Yeah.
See the body,
Paint is still perfect.
same brand new.
This you can see.
Still, see?
I will help.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Always looks like it will take a second, but
because I cover everything.
how old is wrap? Do you know when
That's
it was
one,
wrapped? Yeah.
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
See the body?
Yeah, that's beautiful. No, it's no problem at all. Paint still looks like new.
Yeah.
Nice.
When the customer want sell the car, after that,
You just remove it and sell it and paint it as new. Nice.
paint to protection film.
This is what I know is brand new 2021 X7, yeah?
Exactly. Brand new, coming from the agency direct
Okay.
to our warehouse. Because needed. The
Oh, yeah.
paint to protection film, if you don't want to change the color, of course you need make protection.
Oh yeah. Because for me, when I saw this car today, I was like, what kind of BMW is this? Because I wrapped new X7 in Australia, in Sydney, and this model is like, we don't have this in Australia. I mean, it's like, no, it's in Australia, new cars arrives most of the time 6-9 months later than anywhere else. Yeah. You have this new model, Australia will get it next year.
Come on. You're in Dubai.
Yeah, Dubai probably. First they send to Dubai and the rest of the world later.
Exactly.
I understand it's your main workshop.
So AC, everything clean inside. So
Yeah, nice. Please tell me your most memorable project.
listen, bro. Really, I did so many projects. Okay.
It's Dubai.
Yeah, so many. For example, for the interior design, I mean, for foiling, I did before 250 kitchen.
Wow.
It's a big project, really. It's for compound, full compound.
Okay, so it was for new houses? For
New, brand
Okay.
new.
Okay.
When I put it the sticker, I have good quality for kitchen, and no one care about it. But when I put it in the wood, coming, amazing because high white gloss.
Okay.
I think it's better than the foil in the paint. It's better. Yeah.
Nice.
And for cars, of course, I can't forget that big project for Jackie Chan movie.
Okay, which one? Because I have done something
The
for Jackie
last
Chan
one,
movie.
last one. Still, I think,
They haven't released it.
yeah, because Corona time coming.
Yeah.
That's why, because the trailer, already it's in YouTube. You can't see the trailer.
Because
And my cars also.
Okay.
9 cars gold chrome.
For that movie. Okay.
And for yachts, I did, it's very big, like 200 feet. Big yacht. I changed complete gold, outside gold and the gray at top.
full yacht house.
Full
and
it, everything.
Wow.
Everything.
How long it took you to do that?
Bro, yeah, all guys, they know foil a car. All guys, just, little bit friends, of course, so many friends. When he know foil a car, they have this is product, of course, they can do it. They call Muhammed, please come take it and give me the warranty and give me the good price. Of course, everyone asking about the price. Also, I can give good price for everything.
On this yacht, how many guys worked on it? All team?
God. Yeah, of course.
All team, yes. Because it was huge. You showed me a picture. It was big boat.
Very big. That one is 20 days.
20 days.
20
Wow,
days.
that's impressive.
And
Almost entire
of
month.
course, I put it outside in the water, and they put cover everything and AC inside because they cannot work without AC. So 20 days,
20 days,
full
wow.
team. Not full team. Of course, I have to keep some people here in the shop because the customer coming all the time. So the yacht, it's too much hard.
Okay. This is interesting, in Emirates you saying foil because in Australia it's a wrap of vinyl. Yeah, it's
Here also wrap and foil, sticker.
sticker. Yeah,
Something
it's
like in Arabic in jalad.
Jalad. Okay.
Yeah,
I
some
know you work on
different.
Jalad. Okay. I'll go to Germany and say, guys, I want to put some injalad on your car.
No one understand. But no, by the way, Germany is so many people, Arabic people there.
Oh yeah.
So
And I think German use foil as well. Foil.
yeah. Foil a car in Germany, in Manila, Philippines,
Okay.
and in Dubai.
Okay. I can't remember when last time I wrapped a car using paper protection film. Now is the time. Let's lay this film on this Bmw X7. Okay, our slip solution. It's my first time doing that. My first time. No.
What do you think about this material?
Let's try to cut it. Top coat is very stiff. Squeegee slides well. It's not big issues. What water? Yeah, just that. You know? Before you trim, always snap blade. This material is very stiff and it's very difficult kind of to cut it through, but as long as you score the top coat, I just done like trimming here, just score the top coat. As you see now, it's not cut through, but when you score the top coat, it tears very easy. It's interesting. Very tough top coat. I think it should last very well in Dubai. Here's a lot of sun. What's the time? Wrap virus time. Okay guys, let's do one more panel. I forgot my squeegee. My first few paint protection film panels here in Dubai are done. Infected. Let's have some fun and do some activities. I would like to ask you a few questions.
Yeah.
What is your favorite color change vinyl brand, foil brand?
For branding, I like I like Avery.
Avery? Okay.
It's really amazing, number one.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is your favorite paint protection brand?
Foilacar.
Foilacar?
Yes.
Yeah, I know that you have some special brand for yourself.
Yes, exactly.
Just
so, Foilacar brand.
Okay, good, very good. What are your the most favorite tools or items from the shop? Just favorite tools, what you use daily?
Really? 3M tools.
Tools from 3M, yeah? Just
3M and Word.
What's that?
Word company also.
Oh, okay. Which company tools? Okay.
It's very good tools for remove and remove parts. You know,
It's okay.
you have to remove it. Be careful about or luxury car, VIP cars. So you have to be careful about it.
So you need to use good tools.
Exactly.
Okay. Do you follow any other wrap shops from entire world?
Really? No. Only I focus for my job, Foilacar.
Just focus on what you're doing. And
That's it. That's it.
Okay.
I don't want to follow for another company. I want, of course, if some customer needs some colors I don't have.
Just for ideas, yeah.
I open, I want to see which color, which brand, which, of course, this one, everyone need it, you know.
Some ideas.
Yeah.
Okay. Please, without thinking too much, pick one answer.
Okay.
Knife or knifeless tape?
Nice.
Okay. Heat gun or torch?
Heat gun.
Okay. Gloss or matte finish?
Matte finish.
Okay. Porsche or Ferrari?
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Everyone is saying the same. Okay. Thank you very much for your answers.
Habibi, you're welcome.
So guys, that's it for today. We have visited one more great wrap shop, Foilacar, here in Dubai. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's me, Virus, and I will see you soon.